Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Arcade Level 1, second catalog, fourth lab, that is deploying a Python Flask web application to App Engine Flexible. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous 4 lab. जितनी पुरानी 4 lab हैं उन सबके solution upload हो चुके हैं, that you can access by clicking on the I button of the video and also find the link in the description box. सारी वीडियो के solution आपको मिल जाएंगे and also I show you how you can actually claim your first skill badge. वो भी वीडियो आपने अगर अभी तक नहीं देखी तो जाके देख लें. Okay, without wasting time, start this lab. Click on this and wait for the page to be loaded. And while the page is loading, what you need to do, you need to go to the description box of this video. From there you will see a notepad file that you need to download. आपको notepad file download करनी है and open that notepad file in the notepad. Okay, आपको text file को notepad में open करना है. This is the file containing the important code that we need to run in this program or the lab. Okay, once you are done with this, simply come back to the lab, click on the start lab button, wait for the credentials to be loaded. The credentials are required to log in into Google Cloud Console, as you are familiar with this. So wait for the credentials and this lab may take a couple of minutes in some time. आपको प्रोविजन होने में credentials 2 मिनट भी लग सकते हैं, तो अगर आपका credentials लोड ना हो तो वेट कीजिएगा. ओके, now simply right click upon Google Cloud Console, open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. And as you know that the email ID will be automatically pasted up, so we are good to go. Click on the next button. We need the password. So for the password, come back to the lab and copy the password from this here, second one. Now come back to the console. Let me switch between the tabs. Paste the password here. Click on the next button. Wait for it to get login. We need to accept the terms and condition and the welcome message. Click on the I understand button. After that, a pop-up will arise of terms and condition that we need to accept. So simply click on this checkbox, click on the agree and continue. Now we are good to go. These are the basic steps that we need to follow. Now we will open the activate the Cloud Shell. Okay, so for that we need to click on this top right icon, activate Cloud Shell button. It will synchronize the Cloud Shell for us. So wait for it to get synchronized. While it's synchronizing, what you need to do, simply come back to this notepad file, copy the whole command that is given to you, copy it very carefully, come back to here, click on the continue button, wait for a couple of seconds till the terminal get loaded. It will take a couple of seconds just, so wait for it. So once the terminal get loaded, click on the got it button and paste the command that just copied. So paste it here and hit enter button. Okay, now wait for this command to get execute. Click on the authorize button first, and this command will take around 2 to 3 minutes to get execute. So simply wait for this command to get execute. And once you started to see the warning, you need to stop there. आपको वहाँ पर तुरंत activate होना है जैसे आप यहाँ पर warning show होने लगे. So wait for that warning and in that time make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel and hit the like button also. Okay, so simply sit back, relax and wait for the warning to become. So simply wait for it. सो फर्स्ट वार्निंग आ गई है हमारी, लेकिन हमें वार्निंग पे नहीं, एक्चुअली एरर पे रुकना है. जैसे आपको यहाँ पर रेड मैसेज शो होने लगे, वहाँ पर हमें अपना अटेंशन सीक करना है. सो वेट फॉर इट, इट्स स्टिल एग्जीक्यूटिंग. So this is the red warning I am talking about. Below this you will see a HTTP protocol link. Okay, so you need to click on this. First of all, hold the control button and click on this and it will redirect you to the next page. A new tab will be automatically loaded. So click on this. Wait for this tab to get loaded. Here you need to upload certain files. So अगर आपको किसी भी issue आए, यहाँ पर कोई भी केस में issue आए, then simply refresh the page. अगर आपको कोई भी problem आ रही हो, then simply refresh the page. You will see the interface like this. Okay. Now from here you need to choose certain files. So click on this choose file and you need to upload any image from your folder. आपको local डेस्कटॉप से कोई भी इमेज उठा के यहाँ पर कॉपी पेस्ट करनी है और अपलोड करनी है. फॉर दैट आई एम चूजिंग द थंबनेल ऑफ माय प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो क्लिक ऑन दिस ओपन बटन, वेट फॉर द फाइल टू गेट अपलोडेड. Once the file get uploaded, you need to click on the submit button and once the submission gets successful, you will see the image of that file here loaded on the page. Okay, it's still loading. Wait for it to get completed. You can see it's now successfully loaded. Now what you need to do, simply come back to the dashboard and wait for it to get completed. It will take around couple of minutes to load completely. Once the 100% submission gets successful, you are good to go. उसके बाद आपकी lab complete हो जाएगी. And while it's loading the process, you in that time simply come back to the lab, scroll down little bit, keep scrolling to the task number 1, scroll down. Click on the check my progress under the task number 2. Make sure you get the green tick for this क्योंकि हमारे ये वाले टास्क तो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. सो हम इस पर check my progress पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. Make sure you get the green tick. You can see assessment is completed. Scroll down, keep scrolling. Click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for sure. Wait for it to get the green tick. Scroll down, keep scrolling. Click on the check my progress. As we already uploaded the image that it is showing here, you will get the green tick for sure. Wait for a couple of minutes. You can see assessment is completed. Scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Keep scrolling and this is the last check my progress and you need to click on this check my progress. But अगर आपकी अभी तक 100% सबमिशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, then आपको ग्रीन टिक नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, सो फॉर दिस टास्क you need to wait for the couple of minutes till the process get 100% successfully submitted. So you can see it's still uploading the data. Wait for it to get completed. Once it's get completely executed, we will come back to the lab and click on the check my progress and we will get the green tick. Okay, so wait for it. You can see we get the assessment completed, green tick. It means we are done with this. Okay, congratulations, your lab is completed. इसमें अगर आपको green tick नहीं मिल रहा हो, just आपको wait करना है थोड़ी देर, आपको green tick मिल जाएगा. Now with this, you can simply click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also, you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit button. Come back to main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे check करने के लिए कि हमें green tick मिला है या नहीं. Scroll down करेंगे, keep scrolling. Open the catalog, scroll down, you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.